Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to answer the question that was asked to me about Steem, Steem Power, and Steem Dollars, what it's all about, and what my thoughts are. So I'm going to be looking at my other screen. I have two monitors, so you guys can see this one right here where I have STEEMIT up, and then over here I have some notes and stuff. What I did is, instead of just giving my thoughts, because the question was from Bitcoin Rady was, what are your thoughts about Steem and Steem Dollars? I see a big potential for this already working social network. So I'm going to kind of give a little background behind it, what it's all about, in case you guys don't know what it is, and then I'll give you like my overview of what I think about it, and what I plan to do with it. So I'm going to start off with I'm going to try to make this as simple as possible because I got confused. I'm not gonna lie, I did. There was a lot going on there, and the way they tried to explain it is they tried to use like a steam plant that creates electricity. They tried to explain it that way. It was still confusing at times, so I had to watch a couple videos and then put it into my like own words. So I'm going to start with Steem itself and work my way from there. I didn't put it in any order. I'll put this right here, I guess, if you guys want. I don't know if it might help or not, but so essentially, you create content, the blockchain pushes it through, people vote on it, they comment, and you get paid out in Steem Power and Steem Dollars. Okay, so those, I think it's like 50-50, right? So that's just like a broad overview of how it all works. So STEM, down here at the bottom right here, like I said, when I made this, I wasn't going in any order. I didn't kind of make sense to start off with this one, but STEM is like the building blocks of all this. So I'm just gonna read what I wrote down right here. It says this is what you'll use when you want to cash out from SD or Steem Dollar to Steem. Move this over. Then to Bitcoin over to US currency. So this is what you'll see on like the marketplace. You'll see Steem, and then that's like the cryptocurrency that you'll use. Steem Dollars and Steem Power are within the Steem economy or community. So it says you could also use Steem to power up your Steem Power and increase your stake in the Steem economy, thus providing you with higher payouts on your interest. Think of it as building blocks for the entire STEM economy. So there's STEM is what you use, which I'll get to in a minute, which is STEM Power, and STEM Power is kind of like a savings account, I guess you can say. It's not like a lending platform, but more so a place where you can get interest, and you could become like a shareholder for STEM. And the more you have, the more you'll get paid out, which, like I said, will increase your stake. So they kind of incentivize you to leave your STEM Power in there, but you can always cash it out and then or power down your STEM Power and then cash out through Steem, and then go to Bitcoin, and then your US currency if you want, or exchanges to any other altcoin you want. So let's go with Steem Dollars. Steem Dollars is one of the ways you get paid out. It's equivalent to the US dollar, but it's only worth something in the Steem economy right now. They want to use it for digital as digital currency to buy and sell things virtually, from what I understand. But again, they're also backing it by saying that one Steem Dollar is worth one US dollar. So an example that I saw was, okay, so say you want to cash out like 10 Steem Dollars, right? And what they're going to do is they're going to convert however many Steem you'll need to equal out 10 Steem Dollars. So let's just say Steem's going for like 50 cents. Okay, so it's going to take 2 Steem to make your 1 Steem Dollar, and if you got 10 of them, well, then you're going to need 20 Steem to make your 10 Steem Dollars, and that'll give you $10, right? So, and then obviously from there you just you go buy Bitcoin with it, or exchanges whatever the currency you want, or however you want to do with it. But that's how they're doing that. They're saying that it stays at $1, and that's the equivalent of the US dollar. And you can also get interest off of this. If you choose to leave it in the Steem economy, you'll receive interest over time. Like I said, kind of like a savings account. It's not that much, from what I understand, because I think like when they make new coins, only 10%. This is what I heard. Only 10% goes to Steem dollars, and over 90% goes to Steem power. So when you look on people's accounts, like I was looking at this one person's account, right? This guy right here. He seemed to be doing some crazy stuff. I went over to his wallet, right? Look how much Steem he has, right? It's like 130. But look at his Steem power. He's got 33,000, right? Steem power, no Steem dollars. And I guess that makes sense because if you want to keep it on the website, you're going to want to get a higher interest, like a higher yield. And I think going through Steem power is the way to do it because, like I said, when they create new tokens, they tend to give it to the stakeholders or shareholders, which, you know, he's a pretty big shareholder, seeing as how he's got 33,000, you know, and his overall account is worth $148,620. So so that's why he's kind of doing that right there. That's my guess. But it also gives you voting power or influence. So I'm going to get into that right now, right here. So Steem Power says you receive Steem Power for posting and voting as part of a reward. You can also increase your Steem Power or SP when you power up. SP allows you to become a shareholder and have a stake in the future of STEEMIT and the Steem economy. Most of currency tokens created are paid out to SP holders, like I was saying earlier. SP also gives you a stronger voting influence. So I think when people vote, and again, I made an account on this, so I haven't been approved yet, but I think when people vote on your content, I think the amount of Steem Power you have, I guess, will influence how much money they get for it, from what I understand. So I have yet to be cleared or whatever. I signed up. I'm waiting for the approval. So because I wanted to try it out and see what it's all about. I mean, it makes sense. You know, it's you put up content. I do it on a weekly basis. So why not? You know, try to make some money out of it. But anyways, let's come back to here real quick. So you create the content, the blockchain pushes it through, which means that it's consistently pushing it through, you know, all the time, and then you get paid out in Steem Power and in Steem dollars. And from what I understand, you do not need anything to start. You could just start posting. Obviously, it'll be a little bit slower because you won't have as much Steem Power, so your voting influence won't be that good. But that's really for other people. So, like I said, I'm not 100% on this. I just kind of got a brief overview of it and tried to understand as much as I could. But what do I think about this, right? What are my thoughts about this? I think it's a great way to make a passive income if you like creating content. If you like creating videos, if you like creating Photoshop, like, you know, funny pictures, or, you know, putting up anything, sharing whatever you want. If you like doing that kind of stuff, this is a great way to, you know, start making some money, so passive income. And the fact that the Steem dollar is equivalent to the US dollar, it's almost like no matter what happens to Steem, even if it's worth a penny, right, then you're going to get 100 Steem to equal out your one Steem dollar that you have when you cash out. So that's nice. One thing I heard that I'm not crazy about is when you want it powered down for your Steem Power, it takes 104 weeks for you to get that money. So I don't like that, but yeah. I don't like the fact that it takes that long. I don't know why it takes that long, but it takes 104 weeks, and they break it up, you know, evenly. So say you want to power down with, like, I don't know, 10,000 Steem Power, they'll break that up over 104 weeks, and you'll get that weekly. So that's the only thing. But I mean, I guess if you're doing something like this, you know, I eventually want the money in my account, right? Because, like, I don't want to reenact what happened to Big Connect, where you know, I was making money, I was reinvesting it, all that's great, you know, I'm getting higher, getting more, and then I never had a chance to really pull it out to, like, you know, get my initial investment back. So at that point, you know, I wouldn't mind if I lost everything. But I think when you start with this, you don't really need to start with anything, which is awesome. You could just start posting stuff and content and getting likes and voting and doing comments and stuff, so that you know, you get also paid out in Steam dollars and Steam power. And yeah, I don't really see anything bad about this right now. I think it's a great way to, you know, create a passive income, especially for those who don't really have a lot to start with. But you know, you also got to have a camera. You got to be, you know, okay to talk in front of people. Um, I guess I don't know if being camera shy would really be one of them. Some people don't talk without a camera. It really depends on the people you want to reach, the content you want to talk about. When I was watching those, you know, don't expect, if you don't have a following to begin with, don't expect to get a lot of people. I mean, you know, I struggle every day with getting people to watch my YouTube videos. So, you know, I can only imagine how hard to be on this. With that being said, when you're making content, make something that, you know, you are passionate about, that you really don't care if you make money on it or not. I know it sounds crazy because, you know, I mean, then why are you doing it, right? But if you find something you really care about and you just enjoy talking about it and making videos about it, start with that, because you can do anything, and you see where it goes from there, you know, and then just build it off of that. Because I was watching one guy and he, you know, was posting videos left and right. He'd do some research for like 2 to 3 hours, and then he'd make like 10 cents on the video, you know. So all right, I don't want to bore you guys too much with all this, but Bitcoin ready. There you go, buddy. There's your question. That's what my thoughts are about Steem dollars. It's actually a pretty good way to make some money. I like it. I'm definitely gonna try it out. You know, I learned something new. Thank you for the question. I appreciate it, man. So what has Steem Dollar been doing? Just use a quick graph of it. I mean, it spiked like to $22. This was crazy. Back in late April, early June. And then it's just been floating here for the past, let's go 3 months. It's at $4 right now. So I guess when you go to cash out for, like, you know, 4 Steem dollars, you'll get 1 Steem, you know. So, and then at that point, honestly, you can either hold it and wait for the spikes and stuff, but the way the market's been going, you can see right here is a downtrend. I wouldn't hold it. I would just cash it out into either another altcoin that you want or put it in your account. That's it. Save your money. All right, guys, so it's time to pick our next winner. Let's see what we got here. We got 29 people who commented. Not all of them were questions, so don't be surprised if someone comes up with just a statement or saying great job, and then they don't win. I told you it has to be a question, right? I think that's fair enough. So I already populated it. Let's see what we get here. Let's see who the next winner is. Oh, let's see. AJS, thanks for the info. I wait for Bitcoin prices to go up for sale. Is that a question? No. Really, guys? It's a question. Gotta be a question, please. Try it again. That's what you get for not asking a question. Great video. Keep it up, Mike Altcoin. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it, buddy. Unfortunately, it's not a question. I can't give you the Bitcoin. But anyways, I will keep it up. I won't stop. I'll keep going. Eventually, it will pay off. Determination is key. Alright, guys, so you just saw firsthand that's 2 people that did not win. Okay, here we go. What? Again, James Cooper? Are you serious? Are you serious right now? This dude won again? What do you think the price of BTC gonna be in 2 years? That's a generic question, but I'll give it to you. But dude, this guy won already. Just goes to show you what the odds are of winning on my channel, because I have so few subscribers and I only had 29 comments. I mean, dude, I'm telling you guys, you better get on the train before people start realizing this dude just won twice. I think he was one of the first people that won. Yeah, and he won again. So, anyways, congratulations, James Cooper. Good question, man. I will do an answer for it in the next video. Let's get you your Bitcoin. A little generic, but it's okay. Either way, it's a question, and that's all I was looking for. Let me get my Google Authenticator going here. There you go, James Cooper. congratulations, buddy. And in the next video, I'll be talking about Bitcoin and where I see it going in 2 years. Because right now, it's going into the toilet. I mean, obvious downtrend. Really, really crappy. So, anyways, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for the support you guys have given me. I appreciate it, every last bit of it. I like tripled my subscribers in the past week or so. I want to hit 100. Once I do, I'm thinking about doing some kind of giveaway. I'm not going to do anything with cryptocurrency. I'll give away maybe like a gift card or something to do with a computer or whatever. I'm going to do a little survey. You let me know what you guys want, and I'll just do a little giveaway to show for my appreciation for all the support. Thank you guys for all the comments, all the questions. Give the video a thumbs up as much as you can. It helps the video. Smash that thumbs up button. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care.